In a world where sustainability meets innovation, the art of restoring lead-acid batteries has become a vital skill. Imagine breathing new life into worn-out batteries, reducing waste, and saving valuable resources. Let's dive into the fascinating process of lead-acid battery restoration.
Before we dive into today's video, make sure to follow our channel and like this video for more amazing content like this.
The journey begins with melting aluminum scrap to create the necessary components for battery plates. This crucial step lays the foundation for efficient energy storage. Next, a scraper tool meticulously cleans the plate edges, ensuring optimal conductivity and performance. The melted aluminum is then used to craft the plate edges, allowing seamless current flow within the battery. Any excess material is carefully trimmed away, maintaining precision and cleanliness throughout the process. After that, a wooden scraper tool is used to further refine the edges, ensuring smoothness and perfect alignment for optimal conductivity. After this, the plates are placed under sunlight to dry naturally. This drying step is essential for strengthening the plates and preparing them for further assembly. The plates are arranged in a specific pattern with positive and negative positions carefully designated to create individual cells. After that, a rubber band is used to securely attach the plates to each other, keeping them in place for proper alignment during the assembly process. Next, the connections between the plates are formed in an iron mold using melted aluminum. This step ensures that the positive and negative connections are securely made, allowing the battery to function properly once fully assembled. A carefully crafted iron mold is used to define the polarity of each cell, forming the positive and negative poles that enable the battery to function properly. After that, they melt the carbon on the cell's joints for the smooth current flow.
पैसे सेंड कर पहला यकीन मन में दुकान तो कोई वेला नहीं है।
Used battery shells are thoroughly cleaned to prepare them for new cell installation. The edges are precisely chiseled to allow secure attachment of a new seal. Finally, the cells are assembled within the battery cover, ensuring proper alignment and strong connectivity. Six individual cells, each rated at 2 volts, are carefully placed into the 12-volt battery casing. The existing terminals are reconditioned and reshaped to serve as the new electrical contacts. A custom mold is applied to accurately form the new terminals. The sealing process is completed using a heated metal rod to ensure durability and protection. Excess material around the edges is trimmed to give the battery a clean, refined appearance. The result is a fully restored lead-acid battery, revitalized through craftsmanship and attention to detail. This process not only reduces waste, but also offers a cost-effective power solution for industries and individuals alike.